Myself, Dr. Amarnath Shetty, Professor, AIT Civil Department, Mangalore. I will explain water supply and treatment engineering. First, I will go for chlorination. The chlorination is the addition of chlorine to kill the bacteria. Chlorination very widely adopted in all developing countries for treatment of water for public supply. Okay. Chlorination available in glass, gas, liquid or solid form. Bleaching powder in a solid form. Bleaching powder. Okay. Forms of chlorination. There are different types of chlorination. Okay. As a bleaching powder, second one as a chloromines, as chlorine dioxide, as free chlorine gas, as liquid chlorine. Okay, these are the types forms of chlorination as a bleaching powder, as chloramines, as chlorine dioxide, as free chlorine gas, as liquid chlorine. Okay, now we go for one by one theory of the chlorination. Okay, chlorination gas was presumably uh, discovered in the 18th century. Chlorine Cl2 was first prepared in a pure form by the Swedish chemist Charles Wilhelm Schickel in 1774. Schickel, Schickel heated brownstone magnesium dioxide with hydrochloric acid HCl. When these substances are heated and bonds and broken, heated bonds are broken, the bonds are broken, causing magnesium chloride, water, and chlorine gas to form. Okay, Still discovered that chlorine gas was water soluble and that it could be used for bleaching paper, vegetable, and flowers. It also reacts with the metals and metal oxides. In 1810, Sir Homipe Dew, uh, an English chemist, who tested fundamental reaction of chlorine gas, discovered that gas, okay, seals found must be an element given that the gas has inseparable. Okay, he named the gas chlorine. Okay, after the Greek word chloros, that means yellow greenish and rougher the color as chlorine gas. Chlorine can be found on many different reactions all over the world. Chlorine is almost always found in a compound because it is very reactive element. Chlorine can be usually found bond to sodium in kitchen salt, sodium chloride. Most chlorine can be found dissolved in fish and salty lakes. Large quantity of chlorine is found in the ground rock salt. Okay, salt. Advantage of chlorine. Now we go for the advantage of chlorine. Chlorine is manufactured easily by electrolytes of common salt. It is the powerful oxidant and can be penetrate the cell wall of the organism and it constant. Dosage can be controlled precisely, can be easily detected by simple orthoiodine test, does not form harmful constants on the reaction with the organic and inorganic in water, leaves required residue in water to neutralize recontamination later. These are the advantage of chlorine. Okay, chlorine can be manufactured easily by electrolysis of common salt. It is a powerful oxidant and can penetrate cell wall of the organism it contains. Dosage can be controlled precisely. It can be easily detected by simple orthoiodine test. Okay. Then then does not form harmful constant on the reaction with the organic inorganic water, leaves required residue in water in a neutralized, contaminate, decontaminate later. Later. Precaution in using the chlorine. Okay, very important. This is using the chlorine. Precaution taken. Chlorine gas or liquid is highly corrosive and lethal to inhale. Hence, it is to be stored carefully in a sealed container at the distance. If the water contains phenolic compound, there is a reaction with the chlorine can result cancer, or this is a very important causing substances. If the water contains phenolic compound, there is a reaction with the chlorine can result the cancer causing substance. Okay. Now residual chlorine and chlorine demand. We will go for residual chlorine and chlorine demand. When chlorine is applied in a water, some of the consumed in killing the pathogenic, some react organs and inorganic substances and balance is detected as residual chlorine. The difference between the quantity applied per liter and the residue is called chlorine demand. Polluted water accept more chlorine demand. If the water pre-treatment by sedimentation and aeration, chlorine demand may be reduced normally. Residual chlorine of 0.2 mg per liter is required. Behavior of chlorine in water. When chlorine is dissolved in water, forms okay, hypochlorous acid and hydrochloric acid. Cl2 plus H2O okay, gives HOCl plus HCl. After some time, hydrochlorous acid further ionizes as follows: HOCl H plus OCl. The two prevailing species HOCl and OCl are called free available chlorine are responsible for disinfection of water. Okay, chlorine react with the ammonia in water form of monochlorine chloramine. Okay, diachloramine, triachloramine released and their distribution depend upon pH value of the water. Okay. Now dosage of the chlorine. There are different dosage of the chlorine. Okay, one by one we will go. Okay. Now first is the plain chlorine. Plain chlorine. The plain chlorine is the process of addition of chlorine only when surface water with no other treatment is required. The water of the lake and springs is pure and may be used after plain chlorination. The rate of 0.8 mg per liter per hour at 15 centimeter pressure is the normal dosage to maintain in a residual chloride of 0.2 mg per liter. Now we go for the superchlorination. Okay, in a plain chlorination, the process of addition of chlorine only when the surface water with no other treatment is required. Plain chlorination. Okay, it is for the lake or spring. We are using mainly plain chlorination. Superchlorination is defined as administration of dose considerable in excess that necessary for adequate bacterial purification of the water. Okay, more dosage. About 10 to 15 mg per liter applied with a contact time of 10 to 30 minutes under circumference such during the epidemic breakdown water in dechlorination before the supply of the distribution system. More, we are using the more chlorination. Okay, chlorine, superchlorine defined administration of dose considerable access that necessary for adequate bacteria purification. That is about 10 to 15 mg per liter is applied with a contact time of 10 to 30 minutes. Okay, under circumstances. Such during the epidemic breakdown of the water, dechlorination supplied to the distribution system. Now we go for the breakpoint chlorination. When the chlorination is applied to the water containing organic, microorganic and ammonia residue chlorine level, okay, fluctuate with the increase of dosage as shown in the, okay, this is the chlorination graph. Chlorine dosage, okay, this is residual chlorine, okay, when the chlorine applied, okay, how it is A, B, C, D, okay, this is this is chlorine demand, okay, applied chlorine is this, how the when the chlorine, this will show one by one, I will like what is A, what is B, what is C and what is D, okay. Now what is we are going for first one plain chlorination, okay, second one super chlorination, breakdown chlorination, okay, one by one explain. Up to point B, it is observed to reduce the agent water like nitrate, iron, etc. Further increase of form of chlorination with the ammonia of water. Okay, chloramine is are effectively as Cl and OCl form. When a free chlorine content increase to react with the chloramine, reducing the available chlorine. At a point D, chlorine convert into effective into N2O, NCl3. Beyond the point D, free residual chlorine appears again. This point D is called breakpoint chlorination. Dosage behind the point as same of the superchlorination. In superchlorination, no such rational measurement is made and the dosage is taken at random. Okay. Dechlorination, the removal of excess of chlorination resulting in the form of superchlorination in part or completely is called dechlorination. Excess of chlorination of water gives pungent smell and corrosive of the pipeline. Hence, excess chlorination to remove the before supply. Physical method of aeration, heating, absorption on the charcoal may be adapted. Chemical method like sulfur dioxide, sodium bisulfate, sodium thiosulfate are used. Okay. Now, point of chlorination. Okay.